Alright, before we start this video, I just want to give a big thanks to my boy. He made this video, and make sure you go check him out. Alright.
Skateboard trucks.
Thank you for holding this Eli. How can I help you?
Hi, Steve. How you doing today? I'm Dan from Corporates. I've called up today because I just got a notification down from the boys at maintenance that your fire alarms haven't been rehashed in the last 7 months. Are you aware of this?
I'm sorry, what?
The fire alarm systems, each, like, around every 2 to 3 months, they're rehashed in case of an emergency to make sure that the fire alarms are working correctly. Are you aware of this protocol? It's done in most Walmarts. I'm not sure if you've ever had to done it, like, with your Walmart, but it's been done all over, like, America. We're trying to work on it right now. But I've pulled up on record here at your Walmart. It appears that the fire alarms have not been, rehashed or put in debug mode in over 7 months, which is a big hazard.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna walk through. I'm putting in it. The fire alarms are in debug mode right now, so I'm just gonna have you. Are you near a fire alarm right now, sir?
Sure.
Are you at one, you said?
Yep.
Okay. So basically what I want you to do is in debug mode right now, which basically to reset or quote-unquote rehash it, all you need to do is take the lever of the fire alarm and you have to pull it down as slowly as possible. It won't trigger because it's in debug mode. As long as you pull it as slow as you can, it will not trigger.
Alright,
I
hold on
can't
just a
stress this
moment.
enough.
Yep, hold on a moment.
He's not gonna do it.
Dude, if this guy does that, that's fucking amazing.
Gonna be creamy.
Yeah, I thought you said they weren't going off.
So they're in debug mode right now. Did you pull it down as slowly as you can? Steven, are you there?
Oh,
Are you
my
serious?
God. Oh my god.
So I told you to pull them as slowly as you can. You must have done it wrong.
Yeah, alright, thanks anyway.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's fucking amazing. Dude, that is fucking amazing. Oh my god.
Oh.
Shit. Oh my god.
Thanks anyway.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh, dude.
In before I get fucking swatted by Walmart.
Oh man, that's beautiful.
Oh my god.
Dude.
Oh, I'm still
Fucking crazy.
I've still got
was
it.
beautiful.
That was fucking crazy, dude.
Just like he's like, hold on. Like 20 seconds later, we just hear where?
I thought he was gonna like transfer me to another person saying like, nice try, kid, you're messing with us. And, like, oh my god.
Same.
He said, okay, I'll be right back. 20 seconds later.
Are you gonna do it?
Dude,
Dude, it's like a McDonald's or some shit.
Dude, one time we did it. Hey, wait. Look up Coon Rapids Burger King. Just Google it right now.
Alright. Coon Rapids?